so right here we'll be looking at where to get images. All right, we're talking about where to get images to create our content. In the previous section we have looked at where to get articles. We have also talked about how to check for plagiarism. All right, so right here we'll be looking at some places where we can get images, and some of these places we also have the ability to customize designs, flyers and the like. So right here, let's see the first one. The first one here is Poster My World. So let's go to our browser here. In the URL section, we type in postermyworld.com. Alright, so if you have not created an account here, you need to create an account. I have created an account and I am logged in. Alright, so right here you select the type of template you want. If it's a flyer, if it's a poster, if it's an Instagram post, Facebook post and the likes. You can also click on view all to view all the sizes here. Then under the theme you can also click view all right here. So we'll take, for instance, we want to create a flyer. Right here we'll click on flyer. Right, after that it's going to bring sizes right here. This is the digital signage, this is album covers, logo, this is menu, this is zoom background, this is web banners. All right, since we are dealing with website, let's try the web banners. Right here we can select anyone we want to work with. Let's assume we want to go for something like this. We'll click on this right here. All right, so right here we're going to click on customize templates. Alright, so you can see that we can replace this particular image. If we want to delete this image, we want to drag it to the right, to the left, we want to bring it down here, we can do all of that. Right, you can also replace this image. You can go to the left side here. When you click on the photo here, you can see it's going to bring these panels. This is add from my photo, add stock photo, add slideshow, add from Facebook, add from Google Drive, add from Dropbox. So let's assume we want to get from our PC here. You can see these are the files I have uploaded before. Right here I'm going to click on upload photos here. So it's going to take me to my storage system where I'm going to upload images. All right, after that I'll select the image. Let's assume this is what I want to add here. I'll click on add here. You can see right here I can delete this and I'll drag this to where that was. I can also rotate this if I want. Can reduce the size here a bit just to fit what I want. Then under here I can customize this text here. You can see I can delete all of that. I can write mine here, training. All right, so after that you can also reduce the size or increase the size right here. Then the text, you can also change the text right here. You can see this is the font here. You can change the font here. This is a Meridian 1. You can change this to Meridian 1. You can select any font of your choice right here. After that you click on the arrow here. You can also position your text and images. You can send to bottom, you can send backward, you can bring forward, you can send to the top and the likes. You can edit all of this. All right, you can edit this here, drag this here, drag this here. All right, you can add, you can change this to a phone number, whatever you want to call this. Right, now this is actually a place where some people feel like, well, this is going to have a watermark. It's not actually going to have a watermark. If you are editing any image on Poster My World, Poster My World watermark is not going to be displayed after you download this particular image. All right, it's just a kind of a signal trying to tell you that you need to upgrade to premium plan. All right, if you click on upgrade here, it's going to take you to a place where you're going to make payment. Right, so after that you can see this particular element here. We can change the color if we want to and change it to whatever we want. See here, change it to this, and this is the background here. We can change the background color right here. Right, you can see something like this. Right, after all of this you click on download here. All right, then you click on download, open when done right here. Alright, you can see the watermark is not here. You can customize as many images as possible and you can grab that to your website. This is a way of creating original content to your website. All right, after all of this, you can go back. All right, then you can select another template. You hover your mouse on template, you can try a post that here. Right, so right here you can see select the size. Let's call this web banner also. All right, let's try to select this. To click on customize here. Alright, I can see right here, this is the image of this particular person. I can change this image here. I can bring in my image. Then I can also edit all of this. Watermark here will not be displayed after exporting this particular design. Alright, you can change this to your name. Alright, this is these are icons here. You can also edit all of this. Alright, and after that, at the left hand side here, we have talked about this. This is a place where you can add photos. Right here, this is a place where you can add elements. Here you can add shape, you can add clippers, you can add sticker, you can also add a QR code. All right, just as you want to add a QR code, you're going to enter the URL of your website here. So let's call this allforlearners.com right here. After that, you hit the enter here. You can see this is the QR code of my website here. You can paste that somewhere here. All right, then after that, we still go back to the elements here. We can also add clippers, we can add sticker. If we want to add clippers, it's going to open this up for us. You can type in anything. Let's call this crown. Then we'll search for that. You can see it's going to bring crown clippers. So let's select this and let's click add clippers. Alright, you can see the crown here. You can reduce the size. You can put this somewhere here and all of that. So you can still add other elements. You can add sticker also. And see right here, you can search for the sticker you want. You can call this price. After that, you hit the enter here. Alright, so these just are two results we have here. We can select this, add to sticker here. Alright, you can see that here. It's animated. Alright, so after that, we'll talk about the text. You can add a plain text, you can add a fancy text, you can add a slideshow, you can add a menu. So let's just add a plain text here. So this is where we can start typing. Text is a training section. Alright, after that here we can stretch this and drag it to wherever we want. We can delete anything we want here. Alright, you can also increase the font size here. You can see this here. We can also align to the center, align to the right. Alright, you can justify here. Right, this is the line height. Just go through all of this and make your changes here. Alright, and there is another thing here. You can also add shadow here. You can add light shadow, you can add strong shadow. Right here you can add a background. Select a background color here. You can make this yellow. Right, you can see this is the background color right here. So you can just tweak any of the settings here, just make a design that will suit what you want. All right, after that, talk about the media. This is where you can add videos from your system. All right, you can also add stock video here. You can add slideshow. You can add from your audio. You can select audio here and all of that. Then this is the layout panel right here. This is add schedule, add menu, add table, add all of these. Then you can add background also. You can make your background solid. You can make it to become gradient. You can also upload background from your PC right here. Then you can select a background from the stock photo. All right, so after all the designs you want to make here, all you need to do is to click on download here. So Poster My Wall is one of the places where I get free images. I also get banners. I get to design banners. The next place here is Pixels, right? Pixel is one place where you can get free images. Right here, you can type in something like shoes. You hit the enter here. Right, so it's going to take us to this place. You can see by default it's displaying photos here. If we want to get that of video, we'll click on videos here. You can see here this is a shoe type, this is another shoe, this is another one here. You can click on any of these. Right, this is free download here. You click on that and see it's downloading. After that, I'm going to preview to see the picture right here. You can see this is a very nice picture, so you can go to Pixel to pick our images and use directly in our website and will not be flagged any error of plagiarism. All right, the next place here is Pixabay. Pixabay is another place where you can get free images. Pixabay.com right here. You can see it's almost like the pixels. So the images you get from pixels, they are as original as they are, right? So you can grab images directly from your Pixabay, grab images from pixels, and also from Poster My Wall. All right, and the next one here is Canva. Canva is a very popular place, also almost like the Poster My Wall. All right, so go to your browser right here, you type in canva.com right here. So if you haven't created an account, you need to create an account. You need to log in right here. Right, so if you hover your mouse on template, just like the Poster My Wall, you're going to see these are social media templates. This is Instagram story, Instagram posts, Facebook post, Facebook covers. These are personal templates. All right, this is for website. These are posters, marketing posters, flyers, infographics, and get infographics also from Canva. All right, let's assume we want to go for posters right here. You can see these are posters templates. You can scroll down to select any one you want. Let's assume this is what we want to go for right here. Click on customize these templates. Alright, so right here you can customize the images to suit what you want. Alright, so basically here these are the places where you can get images for free. Alright, and you can use that directly in your website. You won't be flagged any error. Right, the next one here is where to get free videos. We can get free videos from the places where we have visited. Talking about the Poster My World here, this is Poster My World. Then Pixabay also. Then we talk about pixels, stock footage for free. This is clip still, this is Vidvo and the likes. You can also get free video from Canva. All right, so these are the places where you can get free videos, and after that you just grab the content and paste in your website and you won't be flagged any error of plagiarism. All right, so that's that for that.